So tell me a little bit about your experiences in the improv class.
I got to tell you, this has really kind of opened my mind. I mean, it really gets me to think creatively. I look at things differently.
I've taken every class that Bob and Lee have taught, and I've just found it very, very helpful. I'm an actor, and I've used it for my acting.
The class has been really effective at kind of reigniting my imagination.
Oh my gosh, it's a riot. Everybody in here is like a second family. Everybody is extremely supportive.
The resilience I've felt, the mental flexibility that I've gained by getting up on stage in front of people, it's amazing. And some of the skills that I've learned have really translated into deepening relationships.
And I have just experienced such a growth. It has expanded my world, and I'm so much more comfortable with people.
At work, I need to be professional and serious, and with improv, I can have fun and feel liberated, be goofy.
I've discovered that improv has really given me the confidence to go up to strangers, start talking to them. I find that I've also lost a little bit of weight and become a lot more regular since I've joined the class.
Excellent.